Hello?
What's up, what's up?
Howdy ho. He's got the hammer out, so you know he's been doing something. And the Stogie boys. Helloooimjensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So we're here at City Alignment Concord getting replacement axles thrown in the Driftcat because if you haven't seen in the last video where we explained it, I broke my G-force axles once again that were kind of special made for this car that supposedly can withstand 1500 horsepower and a bunch of other stuff. But we're throwing some stock axles back in just for the time being, and we'll ship out the G-force axles to G-force, try and get those rebuilt, and maybe put them back in after. I don't know. we're gonna run the stock one so far, but shout out to my guy Cisco. He's putting in work. Make sure you guys follow him, City Alignment Concord. And if you don't know, we are still doing the Cutlass. So he said that he will sponsor a LS swap into the Cutlass if we get him to 15,000 followers. So make sure you guys go follow him. We need like 10,000 more, a little over 10,000, but you guys are going crazy so far. So shout out to everyone who's followed him so far, and stay tuned for the journey because we're gonna do a giveaway as well. We're gonna add on to it, so someone is gonna win something at the end of the 15K. So not only is Cisco gonna bring a LS to the Cutlass to the channel, but I'm gonna do like a 101 special type of, I don't know yet. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna do like a 101 custom jacket or something that'll get you like a bunch of free perks. So if you win this, you'll be able to come to like the racetrack, get free ride-alongs, shit like that. So make sure you follow him to enter to win this this giveaway, because this jacket will have a bunch of amenities attached to it. So make sure you go follow him, City Alignment Concord, once again. But we're getting these axles taken care of, so stay tuned. She's a tad bit dirty. Do you happen to have any brake cleaner, sir?
No, I don't.
You don't?
No.
Ooh-wee. SR Garage is getting a shop very soon, so I'll definitely have him do some type of wheels off package very shortly, because it's a lot of grease and things everywhere from the broken axles. Shout out to BC Racing. If you're watching this, I need a new setup. Wow. Real mechanic shit. I'm smoking stoves. There she is. There she is. Do you think that would cause the vibration on the freeway? Because it happened more substantial, I guess you could say, when there was weight in the car.
I was waiting in the car.
So like when there's more people in the car, I could feel the vibration more. So I'm guessing when the car squatted, this is making some crazy vibration.
Well, yeah, because the problem is your car's a little lower, so instead of being straight, you know, a little angle how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
It does this.
Yeah.
And then it just starts kind of hitting. Oh, you can just tell your friends to fucking lose some weight.
I mean, that one seems fucking loose too, but that one's the one that's all.
It's like, yeah, look.
Yeah, making the most noise. Off the G-force, and this is the side that wasn't even that bad. The other side was worse, remember? We'll slap the stock one on this side and then move on to the other side.
This wine is okay. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. He's got no plate.
It's got what?
No plate.
No play on it?
No.
Compared to these fucking
$1,800.
So, new boots, new grease, wham bam, new clamps, flip flop, wham bam, ooh wee, boots. Hold on. Let's trim that bitch. Easy peasy.
Netflix.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, Jesus. Damn.
I think I got shit.
Oh, you definitely do. God damn. Left for like 5 minutes, came back. Damn near already has the axle in. Brought him a couple burrs. Moving along. Forgot about these little ABS tone rings. Fragile little bastards. Pulled out 2 at once. Bro's really stressing.
I'm fucking tired. You stressed me out. Then you only brought 2 beers. What the fuck? And you took a sip.
Smoke one of these.
Nah, I'm good, bro. I don't do drugs, bro.
I don't do drugs, but I smoke cigarettes and drink alcohol. So he came up with this device to tap the tone ring on evenly. Not mad at it. An engineer's an engineer.
Yes, sir.
Got that motherfucker ready to go. And the fucking socket set. That's crazy.
Uh-huh.
Sit in the socket set. Just got it locked and loaded.
Oh.
Alright. This side is finished. Wheels going on. Now we're moving to the next one. The axle that was once in 2 pieces and bootless now has 2 new boots on it, 4 new clamps, which was a pain in the ass. I don't even want to get into that, but this axle is together, so let's throw it in, huh? You want to tell them what time it is?
Time to go Mimi's.
Time to go Mimi's. We started at 7:30. It is almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Almost done though. Last one. Cisco got tired, so we're gonna have to continue in the morning.
Today's big winner, a heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dak, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The bumper
you're last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
what I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.